In the verdant valleys of North America, where the mighty rivers flowed and the great forests stretched, the Iroquois Confederacy was born. In the year 1450, 5 Native American tribes, the Mohawk, Oneida, Onondaga, Cayuga, and Seneca, found themselves at a crossroads. Conflict and disharmony had become the norm, threatening the very existence of their communities. The Haudenosaunee, as they were known, sought a solution to end the endless warfare that plagued their lands. They gathered at the Oak Tree Council, a sacred meeting place, seeking wisdom from the Great Spirit. The Great Law of Peace, a visionary blueprint for unity, was revealed to the chiefs by the Great Spirit. It was a plan that would bind the tribes together, creating a confederacy that would stand the test of time. Hiawatha, a visionary leader from the Onondaga tribe, was chosen to spread the wisdom of the great law across the land. With a unified heart, he journeyed from tribe to tribe, sharing the words of peace. The Mohawk, Oneida, Onondaga, Cayuga, and Seneca listened to Hiawatha's words with awe. They understood that the great law was a lifeline, a beacon of hope in a world torn asunder by conflict. Together, the 5 tribes pledged their allegiance to the Iroquois Confederacy, a union that would be sealed by the eagle and the wolf, symbols of strength and unity. The Iroquois Confederacy flourished, becoming a beacon of peace and prosperity in a turbulent world. Their unity stood as a testament to the power of collaboration and the enduring hope of a better future. The great law of peace, with its principles of democracy, equality, and mutual respect, would inspire future nations, shaping the course of history. The Iroquois Confederacy, a testament to the indomitable spirit of the Native American tribes, continues to stand, a testament to the power of unity and peace.